Hey y'all, it is Damon here from Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've had this wreath base floating around the warehouse for a while now, and I need to use it before Halloween's over. So y'all, on this wreath base, we used a 15-inch frame, and it looks like it's got ruffles, just ruffles, and they all look to be about 25 to 30 inches. I think I'm going to use this one. All right, we're going to grab our mounting squares and our super glue, and we're going to add a little dot of our super glue in all four corners. Now we're going to let that cure while we make ourselves some bows. All right, so we're going to measure out about 8 inches. We're going to give it a good pinch, give it a good twist, and then put that twist right in between our pegs. Right, then we're going to measure out about 7.5 to 8 inches. Give that a twist. All right, we're going to measure about 8 inches. Give it a good twist. All right, this one's going to be just a little bit smaller. So go down about 1/2 inch on every twist. Yeah, the static, y'all, is the air conditioner. Fix that next week. All right, so our loops just keep getting a little bit smaller every time. All right, let's get a center loop on here. Y'all, let's get a big pipe cleaner. All right, let's get our finger around here. Slide it up. Get a pipe cleaner around it. Push down with your thumb and in with your fingers. And then give it a good twist. All right, y'all, we're gonna make 2 more just like this. All right, last one. get our sign back out. Now, y'all, watch. Someone was like, my hot glue doesn't stick to my sign. It doesn't. Hot glue and metal doesn't work out. So we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue right there. We're gonna let it dry while we add our pipe cleaners. Okay, now look, the hot glue is dry. Hot glue does not stick to slick surfaces, metal, wood, plastic. Look, it's just gonna peel off. Don't do it. You have to use something permanent, something rated for outdoors. All right, we're gonna get this added right here. All right, I like to go from one corner directly across to the other corner. All right, we're gonna start with one bow at the bottom, the next at the top, and then one in the center. All right, let's grab our other bow. We're gonna go directly across to the top. Then y'all, this next one, all right, so you see how your bow, before you fluff it out, your bow is naturally gonna look like there's an indent here and there's an indent here. Y'all, that's gonna be the top and the bottom, or bottom and top, whichever way you wanna do it. Just put that in your wreath sideways so that it goes right in that little gap. And then this fans out to fill in each side. So now we've got our next layer on. Let's do our ribbon tails. So we're gonna have 10 twist ties all the way around the bottom. So we're gonna need 10 sets of ribbon tails to get started. 10 13-inch tails. All right, y'all, now we're gonna take one of the 2.5 inch and one of the 1.5 inch, and we're gonna add it to every twist tie around the base. Fold it in half, give it a good pinch, pinch that right down the center. All right, then fold it back to where the two edges of the larger ribbon touch. And then you can just add it right to the twist ties. So this ribbon, our goal is to bring out the ghost and the little purple candy that's in his jack-o'-lantern. All right, on the top, we need at least 1, 2, 3, 4 tails. So look, right here between these two bows, there's a little gap, like a little indentation. Y'all, if you don't put a set of tails there, it's gonna look like a cowlick going on. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so look how that white at the top is just bringing out a little bit of something there. All right, so now we're just gonna go through here and find all of our tails that were not dovetail yet, and we're just gonna cut them at different lengths. So the ones that are covering the sign, you'll either move or make it shorter so that it doesn't cover your sign. let's check it out. Get our sign cleaned up.